The sky is not blue. In this video, I'm going to share the real science behind the color we see. Look up at the sky. What color do you see? Blue, right? But here is a surprising fact the sky is not actually blue. The color you see is created by a beautiful interaction between sunlight, earth atmosphere, and your eyes. Today, we are going to discover why the sky looks blue, why sunset turn orange and red, and why space looks completely black. To understand the color of the sky, we first need to understand sunlight. When we look at the sun, it appears white, but sunlight is actually made of many different colors mixed together. The same colors you see in a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color is a type of light with a different wavelength. Red light has a longer wavelength. Blue and violet light have shorter wavelengths. When sunlight travels through space, all these colors move together. But when sunlight reaches Earth, something amazing happens. The reason the sky appears blue is because of a process called Rayleigh scattering. Earth is surrounded by an atmosphere made of tiny gas molecules like nitrogen and oxygen. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, these tiny molecules interact with the light. Shorter wavelengths like blue light are scattered much more easily than longer wavelengths like red. The blue light gets bounced in different directions across the sky. So, when you look anywhere above you, blue light is reaching your eyes from all directions. That is why the sky appears blue. Now, you might ask, if violet has an even shorter wavelength than blue, why isn't the sky violet? The answer is our eyes. Human eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet. Also, some violet light is absorbed higher in the atmosphere. So, our brain combines the information and we see the sky as blue. Now, let's solve another mystery. Why does the sky turn orange and red during sunset? During the middle of the day, sunlight travels a shorter distance through the atmosphere. Blue light scatters everywhere, making the sky blue. But during sunset, sunlight has to travel through much more atmosphere before reaching your eyes. On this longer journey, most of the blue light gets scattered away. The colors with longer wavelengths like red and orange can travel through more easily. So they finally reach your eyes. That is why sunset look warm, golden, and sometimes even red. Now let's leave Earth and go into the space. Astronauts see something completely different. The sky is black. Why? Because space has almost no atmosphere. There are no enough gas molecules to scatter sunlight around. On Earth, scattered light fills the sky and makes it blue. In space, sunlight travels in a straight line. Without scattering, the background appears dark. Space is not black because there is no light. It's black because there is nothing to spread that light around. So the next time when you look at the sky, remember the sky is not actually blue. It is a beautiful illusion created by sunlight, Earth's atmosphere, and the way our eyes understand color. A simple blue sky is actually a science story happening above us every second. The universe is full of wonders, and sometimes the most amazing discoveries are right above our heads.